In this video, we will be doing a new install of LinkConn 1800 environmental software. Now, before we begin, we recommend placing your LinkConn 1800 executable file on the desktop as well as the LinkConn 1800 licensing key. We also recommend plugging in the USB to serial converter into the PC and confirm in Device Manager that the COM port is viewable for that device. So if I go to Ports, Common LPT, and Device Manager, our COM port is COM13. Note, if the USB serial port has no COM port number and displays a yellow triangle with an exclamation point or question mark, the driver for the USB serial converter must be updated, and you can download your driver for this device at ftdichip.com. Now let's begin. The first thing you want to do is double click on the LinkConn 1800 executable. Now in the Select Destination Location window, just simply hit Next, and then in the Select Components window, make sure that all the boxes are checked on the PC that is connected directly to your iGrow 1800 Site Master Controller. Hit Next, and then click Install. It'll begin extracting the files. And then it will begin installing Python, which is the heart and soul of LinkConn software. And just continue to hit Next until you start seeing Python installed. And then click Finish. And then continue hitting Next, Next, and then Next. Then click Finish. Now once you click Finish, an additional window will pop up. This window will be installing your MySQL connector. Now once you see press any key to continue at the bottom of the window, hit Enter. Now you have finished installing LinkConn software. Hit Finish. Next, we will open up LinkConn 1800 demo software. Now simply go to the LinkConn folder, and we're going to open up the LinkConn 1800 demo. Now when the software opens up, you'll notice that it's the demo because each zone will in fact say demo zone. But in this software is where we're going to set up our MySQL root password and our database connection. So we're going to simply go to User and then click on Database. A window will pop up saying no root password. It needs to be set. Hit OK. Now on this screen, the database screen, we want to go ahead and enter in our MySQL root password. We encourage it to be a unique password and write it down somewhere for safekeeping. But for our example, we're simply going to put in root, and then we're going to log in. A window will pop up saying thank you for setting the password. Click OK. Once that happens, the privileges and connection screen will pop up, and this is where we're going to set our database connection. Now on this screen, we're going to click on the connection, and we're going to choose LinkConn, and automatically information will in fact populate. The host is localhost, the port 3306, the database is LinkConn, username is root, and we'll put our MySQL root password here, and we'll also put in a read-only user and the password, and we'll just simply make it RO. And then we're going to save this connection. Next, we're going to check the connection by clicking the check button, and the connection is in fact okay. Close this window and close this window. Next, we're going to go ahead and go into the Communications Control Panel. LinkConn 1800 Communications Control Panel. And we're going to go ahead and set our communications port to link the software to the controller. Now with the LinkConn 1800 communication open, we want to simply click on the Settings tab. And in this communication settings, we want to set our serial port and enter in our MySQL root password one more time. As you remember, earlier our USB to serial port was in fact COM13, so we're going to put here COM13. And then we're going to also confirm that it's the MySQL localhost database LinkConn username root, and here we're going to put root as well, our MySQL root password. Click OK. Now once you do that, you'll start to notice that this communication panel begins communicating with your site master controller that's attached to this PC. And what we're going to do is open up LinkConn 1800 software as soon as the snapshots have been finished. And as you can see right now, it's taking snapshots of configurations on the controllers. And once it's done, we'll go ahead and open up LinkConn 1800. And as you can see, momentarily done reading snapshots. Let's open up LinkConn 1800. We'll go ahead and open up the LinkConn 1800 software. Now once this opens, we have this screen, which is the credential screen, and by default admin and password is the username and password for the LinkConn software. So right now we're going to go ahead and put admin and password, and we're going to make connection LinkConn. There's different connections, as you can see. Log in. Once you log in, a banner will pop up stating you need to add your license first. And as you remember, our license is in fact on the desktop. So we're going to go ahead and search for our license. And we know that our license is on the desktop. Click on the LinkConn license file and simply double click it to populate both fields and then add license. Now LinkConn will automatically close and we'll open it one more time. LinkConn 1800 software. Now the credential screen pops up again, and we're going to go ahead and put in admin and password. Right now the software is opening, and right now it's actually reading our zones, displaying sensor information. Double click the zone, sensor information, equipment status, and as time progresses, graphing of different elements on this zone. Simply go back to our zone overview. And that's our video on installing a new install with LinkConn 1800 environmental software.